Hello, welcome to my PySpark short audio session, which will be useful for your quick review for your project and your interviews. The title says that PySpark Big Data Processing Made Easy. Welcome to this PySpark audio guide where you will explore the world of big data processing using the power of Python and Apache Spark. In this next 15 minutes, we will cover some key concepts and operations that will help you get started with PySpark. The section 1 it covers Introduction to PySpark. PySpark is the Python library for Apache Spark, an open source big data processing framework. It enables you to process vast amounts of data in parallel across a cluster of computers. PySpark provides a high-level API that makes working with distributed data intuitive and easy. The second section it is a RDD is a resilient distributed data set. So currently it is a old type of data set. The current data set is data frame. Okay. So coming to the track, at the core of PySpark, it lay RDDs or resilient distributed data set. RDDs are fault tolerant data structures that allow you to perform distributed operations on data. You can create RDDs from data in Hadoop distributed file system, local file system, or even existing Python collections. So the third section is transformations and actions. PySpark offers two types of operations, transformations and actions. Transformations are operations that create a new RDD that from an existing one, such as map, filter and reduce by key. The actions, on the other hand, perform computations and return values to the driver program like count, collect, and save as a text file. The fourth section is data frames and SQL. The data frames bring a more structured approach to PySpark. They provide high-level API similar to working with tables in a relational database. You can perform SQL-like operations using the data frame API, making it easy to manipulate and analyze data. The section 5 it is Spark SQL. Spark SQL allows you to execute SQL queries directly on your data. You can seamlessly mix SQL queries with data frame operations. This integration simplifies complex data processing tasks and allows you to leverage your SQL skills. And the sixth section is machine learning with mlib. PySpark also offers mlib, a machine learning library built on top of Spark. mlib provides tools for various machine learning tasks, including classification, regression, clustering, and recommendation systems. It is designed to scale seamlessly to handle large data sets. Section 7 it is streaming with Spark streaming, and Spark streaming is another powerful component of PySpark. It enables you to process real-time data streams using the same RDD transformations and actions. This is invaluable for applications like monitoring, fraud detection, and more. The eighth section is deployment and scalability. PySpark's ability to distribute data and computation across a cluster means it can handle massive data sets. It can scale horizontally, adding more missions to the cluster to handle increased workloads. Deployment can be done on various cluster managers like ARM, Kubernetes or standalone. So the bottom line of this audio guide is this audio guide has given a glimpse into the world of big data processing, from RDDs to data frames, from Spark SQL to machine learning with MLib. Remember, PySpark empowers you to harness the potential of big data using the simplicity of Python. Thank you.